Assalamu alaikum student. Today we have to learn about electromagnetism. Students, you are familiar with electricity and magnetism. Electricity is simply a flow of charge through the wire. Which type of charge? Electrons, that are negatively charged particles. The motion of the electron through the wire is called electricity, and magnetism you know very well. Today we will learn about the magnetic effect of electricity. We know about magnetism since ancient times, but the magnetic effect of electricity is discovered by a scientist Oersted in 1820. He observed that if a compass needle is held close to a wire carrying an electric current, this compass needle shows deflection, means it moves, and the motion of the magnetic compass show that there is a magnetic field around a wire carrying an electric current, and this effect is known as electromagnet. We can also define the electromagnet as electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. Now we can investigate the electromagnetism by making use of iron filings and plotting compass. Students, look at this diagram. This line shows the wire carrying current, and these circles indicate the magnetic field that is produced around the wire carrying electric current. When this field was investigated, it was found that the magnetic field of around a wire carrying electric current is circular. It consists of concentric circles that are centered around this wire. Concentric circles mean the circles having the same center, and you can easily see that the center of all these circles are here. The next point is about their direction. The direction of the magnetic field is found by making use of Maxwell's right hand rule. We will study this rule in higher classes. Now, if we apply this rule, we come to know that when the electric current is flowing in this wire in this direction, the magnetic field that is produced around this wire will be in the clockwise. Its direction will be clockwise. And if this direction is reversed, the direction of the magnetic line will also reverse. They will become anti-clockwise. Again, the field is close to the wire, and as we move away from the wire, the strength of the magnetic field will become weaker. The size of the current can also affect the magnetic field. If more current is passed through the wire, the magnetic field gets stronger. Next, we have to study about the magnetic fields and coils. This is the magnetic field that is produced around a wire carrying electric current. Now we can make a loop of this wire also. For example, if we wind this wire into a coil, and a long tightly wound coil is called a solenoid, and when current passes through this solenoid, a magnetic field also appears around this solenoid, but the magnetic field that is appear around this solenoid is different from the magnetic field of a wire. This magnetic field is similar to that of the bar magnet. We can increase the strength of this magnetic field by increasing the amount of the current, by making more loop. Greater the amount of current, greater will be the strength of this magnetic field. If we make more loops of the wire, the strength of magnetic field will increase. And finally, we can also increase the strength of this magnetic field by putting a core of iron or steel inside the coil. Student, next we have to do the questions given in the test yourself. Question number 1 is, what is electromagnetism? The answer will start from this line to electromagnetism. Answer it like, electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. Question number 2. Describe the field pattern caused by a current flowing in a wire. The answer will start from this, electromagnetism can be investigated to this line. B. Where is the magnetic field strongest? बेटा ये देखें, the field is strongest close to the wire and gets much weaker as you move. U की जगह वही लिख लिया, move further away. C. What happens to the magnetic field if the size of the current is increased? C का first है, if the size of the current is increased. Its answer will be, if the size of the current is increased, then the magnetic field gets stronger. 2. The current is reversed. बेटा ये देखें, if the current is reversed, the magnetic field also reverses. Topic is using electromagnets. They are used for a wide range of tasks such as lifting heavy objects, sorting out metals, and in many other ways. Like electromagnets can be used to separate soft magnetic material like iron and steel from non-magnetic material like copper and aluminium. And you can see easily this job is doing in the diagram. The electromagnets are used in motor generators, relays, electric bells, loudspeakers, headphones, magnetic recording and data storage equipment like tape recorders, VCRs, and hard disks. Have a coil of copper wire wound tightly around an iron core. Using an iron core makes the magnet 2000 times stronger than the same solenoid with nothing but air in the core. Okay student, next we have to study about the working of the speaker. But this is the diagram of the loudspeaker, and we will study how a magnet works inside the loudspeaker. And loudspeaker works by converting the electrical energy into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy compresses the air and converts the motion into sound energy. And when an electric current is sent through a coil, it produces a magnetic field. Now how it happens? Beta, there is a strong permanent magnet inside the loudspeaker, and the shape of this magnet is cylindrical. And this permanent magnet produces a strong magnetic field. And within this magnetic field, there is a coil. This coil that is attached to this cone. This coil will act like an electromagnet, and it is attached to this cone, and this cone is made up of flexible material like paper or plastic that will amplify the vibrations. Now what happens? An amplifier sends out current in the coil, which moves quickly forward and backward through the coil, as a result of which coil pushes and pulls on the permanent magnet due to the attraction and repulsion caused by it. As a result of this, the coil moves in and out. When it will move in and out, it will produce vibration in this cone, and these vibrations that are produced in the cones will travel through the air as a longitudinal waves having back and forth movement, and when our ears detect them as sound waves. Thank you. Students, we have to do 2 questions from this test yourself. Number 1, what causes the current in a loudspeaker to go backward and forward? Simply its answer is the amplifier causes the current in the loudspeaker to go backward and forward. नेक्स्ट है हाउ डू द वाइब्रेशंस फ्रॉम अ लाउड स्पीकर गेट्स टू योर ईयर. सिंपल और वन वर्ड आंसर तो बेटा इसका ये है कि इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स और साउंड वेव्स. But I think you can answer. The answer is an amplifier in your radio or mobile phone. इसको skip कर दें. An amplifier sends out electric current to this line. Thank you.